It is quiet, but not empty. Something outside is staring back at me. The sill is cold, the light leans askew. The world outside is a twisted view. A pigeon moves or just a glitch in space. I no longer know what is real in this place. I do not move, I just watch and stare. Between us the cold is freezing the air. The silence grips, the sound drags me low. Every little noise is a traitor's blow. It's not a bird anymore, just a shadow shape. Something slips past where the walls escape. Pupil opens wide, no turning back. The light shifts its weight and I fade into black. A shadow on the dryer, it will not stay. The thing that watches me is who I am today. I don't even look back, but I feel the corner stare. Something sits there whose name I wouldn't dare. The carpet breathes, the walls crack and moan. The edges of the flat fall apart alone. You cannot see what I clearly trace, and you wouldn't want it to be in this space. Every single line pulls into one spot. It's not a bird anymore, it's the Shadow Lord's plot. Pupil opens wide, every single ray. The wall begins to move, and I've been waiting for today. A shadow on the dryer, it has no form or face. The thing that watches me is who I am in this place. Right there in the corner, you don't see it because you don't have to. When you're not looking, that's when it moves. It wasn't a pigeon, it was never a bird. No, not there. Or maybe, yes, behind the wall, inside the wall. Who I am in this place. Silence, but not empty. Someone is still watching me.